Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab Active 3 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down in order to find the apps. Then let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Special Access. Here we have the localize install unknown apps option, and as you can see here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case to install some content. And of course you can always change it. Simply tap on the switcher on the app, and from now on this application is allowed to install something. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually you'll hold your whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.